Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Baseb Chirsagar. I am from Division EL. I am studying in the Zeal College of Engineering and Research Pune. My project title is Gantt chart using Excel. I have done this project under the IT department of Zeal College. First of all, I would like to thank my guide, Dr. Swapnaja Ubade, for their support and guidance for this project. As we know, I got opportunity to make this project under the PBL activity. The project-based learning helps students to acquire a deeper knowledge through active exploration of real-world challenges and problems. It gave me opportunity to learn something new, to make something useful. I would like to thank our Zeal College for giving me such an amazing opportunity. Now coming to the project itself, I will try to explain it through a PPT. So here it is the PPT. First we will see the problem which the Gantt chart deals with. So basically, Gantt chart deals with the problem of time management. It manages time more effectively and productively. So it helps us to manage our time. Next, we can see the application of Gantt chart. So here it is the application of Gantt chart. So Gantt chart can be applied for creating new projects and assignments and to assign them with our team members, prioritize tasks and mark the task progress in percentage, track progress of each task as well as the progress of overall project. So we can see the working methodology of the Gantt chart. So here is the working methodology of Gantt chart. Today, Gantt charts are the most commonly used for tracking project schedules. It is used by multiple corporates and multiple companies for their project management.